Hello guys, in this video I will show you the process of vector art to 3D inflate to hyperrealistic. I have this rough sketch I had drawn, you can use any you want. I am just going to use pen tool and create all the shapes. Make any adjustment if necessary. Let's add some colors. This is a very simple vector art that we created. Make sure to save it. Use the shape builder tool and cut the background with the art that you make. This will add in your 3D inflate art more depth. Lot of times properties won't work for altogether complicated designs, you can separately edit them. After this I tried 10 times to make convert the image in hyperrealistic, but Adobe Firefly is really bad. Made this in ChatGPT at last.